Hey guys, welcome back to the Cristina Moda channel. So today I've got another exciting bag to share with you. Today I've got the Manor Bag, style number 9977. So here's what the bag looks like. It is a crossbody bag that comes with a crossbody strap that is adjustable. And as you can see, it's also got this convenient top handle. So I'll show you what it looks like when you're wearing the bag. So it sits at about my hip. I'm sort of average to a little bit more on the taller side. I'm about 5'7", so it sits at my hip for me anyway. And then like I mentioned, you can hold on to the top handle when you're taking the bag off, just to make it a little bit easier. So here's a close-up again of what the bag looks like. As you can see, it's got a turn lock closure. And then here's what the side looks like. This is where the strap detaches from the bag right here. And then it's also got the matching hang tag. And then here is the back of the bag. It's got a slip pocket back here, which is nice. I think you could pretty easily fit a phone back here. That's probably what I would use this back pocket for. And then when we open the bag, what's really nice about the Manor bag is that it's got a couple compartments, and then it's got this zip pocket along the middle compartment. And then it's also got a zip pocket along the back here as well. So it's got two zip pockets. And then the crate is back here, so I'll insert a photo since it's hard to pick it up on camera this way, but now you can see that the bag is definitely authentic. So that's the beautiful Manor bag. I think this is a great option if you like a bag that's more on the medium to large size. It's got a really nice, elegant shape to it, and it's in a beautiful black neutral color, so it would go with just about anything. And yeah, it's just a great overall option. So this bag is available on our Etsy shop, so I will link it below if you wanted to check it out and look at it a little bit further. But otherwise, please remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our new arrivals that come into our shop. And otherwise, thanks for watching and take care. I'll see you guys next time.